Indoor succulents can look plain green most of the time, but what if I told you they can turn into vibrant shades of red, pink, orange, and purple without any special treatment? Most people don't realize that simple changes in light, temperature, and watering can completely transform their succulents into colorful showpieces. Echeveria Pearl von Nürnberg is one of those plants that surprises you the most. It starts as a soft gray lavender, but with bright light and slightly cooler conditions, it slowly blushes into pinks and purples that look unreal. Even indoors near a sunny window, it can show beautiful color shifts. Graptopetalum paraguayense, also known as ghost plant, looks calm and pale at first, but once it gets strong sunlight, it begins changing into soft pinks, corals, and even deep purple shades. Sedum nussbaumerianum is perfect if you love warm tones. In low light, it stays green, but give it direct sun and it quickly turns into glowing shades of orange, copper, and golden yellow, especially in the evening light. Pachyphytum oviferum, commonly called moonstones, has thick rounded leaves that look powdery blue. When exposed to brighter light and cooler temperatures, the tips gently blush into pink and lavender tones, creating a soft pastel look. Echeveria pulidonis is simple but stunning. Its pale green leaves develop sharp red edges with just a bit of extra sunlight, giving it a clean and striking contrast without needing much effort. Sedum rubrotinctum, often called jelly bean plant, is playful and colorful. In shade, it stays green, but under sun, the tips of each leaf turn bright red and orange, making the whole plant look like it's been painted. Graptosedum California sunset lives up to its name. With enough sunlight, it develops soft blends of peach, pink, and orange, giving your space a warm, sunset-like vibe. Kalanchoe luciae, known as paddle plant, creates a bold look with its large, flat leaves. When exposed to cooler weather and sunlight, the edges turn a deep red, making it stand out instantly. Sempervivum, or hens and chicks, is one of the easiest to color up naturally. As temperatures drop, it shifts into deep reds, purples, and even near black shades, especially outdoors. Aloe Christmas Carol is a compact aloe that naturally has red markings, but with more sunlight, those red tones become brighter and more intense, giving it a decorative, almost festive look. The real secret behind all these color changes is something very simple: mild stress. When succulents get more sunlight, cooler nights, and slightly less water, they produce pigments to protect themselves, and that's when all these beautiful colors appear. So instead of overwatering and keeping your plants in shade, try giving them more light, let the soil dry a bit longer, and allow natural temperature changes. Within weeks, you'll start seeing a completely different version of the same plant. If you enjoy learning simple tricks that make your plants look extraordinary, make sure you subscribe and stay connected for more easy and powerful gardening ideas.